Good morning, my dear students. Our today's topic is industrial pollution and environmental degradation. Although industries contribute significantly to India's economic growth and development, the increase in pollution of land, water, air, noise, and resulting degradation of environment that they have caused cannot be overlooked. Industries are responsible for four types of pollution: air, water, land, and noise. The polluting industries also include thermal power plants. First one is air pollution. It is caused by the presence of high proportion of undesirable gases such as sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide. Airborne particulate materials contain both solid and liquid particles like dust, spray mist, and smoke. Smoke is emitted by chemical and paper factories, refineries, and smelting plants, and burning of fossil fuels in big and small factories that ignore pollution norms. Toxic gas leaks can be very hazardous with long-term effects. Air pollution adversely affect human health, animals, plants, building, and atmosphere as a whole. Air pollution may cause diseases, allergies, and even death to humans. It may also cause harm to other living organisms such as animals and food crops and may damage the natural and built environment. Both human activity and natural processes can generate air pollution. It is a significant risk factor for a number of pollution related diseases, including respiratory infections, heart disease, stroke, and lung cancer. The human health effects of poor air quality are far reaching, but principally affect the body's respiratory system and the cardiovascular system. Individual reactions to air pollutants depends on the type of pollutant a person is exposed to, the degree of exposure, and the individual's health status and genetics. Water pollution. Water pollution is caused by organic and inorganic industrial waste and effluents discharged into rivers. The main culprits in this regard are paper, pulp, chemical, textile and dyeing, petroleum refineries, tanneries, and electroplating industries that let out dyes, detergents, acids, salts, and heavy metals like lead and mercury, pesticides, fertilizers, synthetic chemicals with carbon, plastics, and rubber, etc., into water bodies. Thermal pollution. Thermal pollution of water occurs when hot water from factories and thermal plants is drained into rivers and ponds before cooling. Fly ash, phosphogypsum, and iron and steel slags are the major solid waste in India. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies usually as a result of human activities. Water bodies include, for example, lake, rivers, ocean, aquifers, and groundwater. Water pollution results when contaminants are introduced into the natural environment. For example, releasing inadequately treated wastewater into natural water bodies can lead to degradation of aquatic ecosystem. In turn, this can lead to public health problems for people living in downstreams. They may use the same pollutant river water for drinking or bathing or irrigation. Water pollution is the leading worldwide cause of death and disease due to waterborne diseases. Waste from nuclear power plants. Nuclear and weapon production facilities cause cancers, birth defects, and miscarriages. Soil and water pollution are closely related. Dumping of waste, especially glass, harmful chemicals, industrial effluents, packaging, salts, and garbage renders the soil useless. Rainwater percolates to the soil, carrying pollutants to the ground, and groundwater also get contaminated. Next is noise pollution. Noise pollution not only results in irritation and anger, it also causes hearing impairment, increased heart rate and blood pressure, and other psychological effects. Unwanted sound is an irritant and source of stress. Industrial and construction activities, machinery, factory equipment, generators, saws and pneumatic and electric drills also make a lot of noise. These are the important pollutions caused by the industries. Thank you.